How to download Microsoft Outlook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the Outlook app installed on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom center of the screen. From there, a search screen will open. Tap on the search bar at the top. At this point, type in Microsoft Outlook and tap Search. In the next step, you'll see the search results load on your screen. Following this, tap on Microsoft Outlook from the results to expand its store page. Once done, review the app details and tap on Install to begin downloading. From here, wait for the download and installation to complete. At this stage, once the installation is finished, tap on Open to launch Outlook for the first time. Finally, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials to access your inbox and get started. And that's it. If this guide helped you download Microsoft Outlook on your Android device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.